Welcome back to the caring series. I still care for you, but this time it's skincare routine for the face. Let's break it up. Cleanse, exfoliate, treat, moisturize, and protection, and the other kaartehads. Let's start off with the double cleanse. And every girly papusahan nyo to double cleanse, maniwala kayo. Just like me again. First of all, I start with the Biore Cleansing Oil or minsan yung Beauty by Johnson Cleansing Balm. Hindi ko lang siya mahanap dito sa kwarto ko, but I use her. Palitan na lang sila whichever. Cleanser, I use the Popic Multi-Peptide Gel Cleanser, and I'm not too picky with the cleansers as long as they are not trying, and this one works pretty well. Now for the toner, medyo mahaba yung full name niya. Happy Skin Ceramide Boost Moisture Ampoule Toner. I like her kasi she's hydrating. I stick to more hydrating and calming cleansers. I mean, toners. Kasi I have like some pretty, wild actives. Okay. These are the spot treatments and serums. First, in the morning, I use the vitamin C from Roto ata to. Yung sa eye drops, meron pala silang vitamin C serum, pero pinrescribe lang to ng derma ko when I got my face laser. Kwento ko sa inyo later. She also prescribed to me Epiduo. So this is basically adapalene and benzoyl peroxide. Medyo nagpa-purge pa ako. Nakakaloka lang din yung pressure niya. So, buti na lang, a little goes a long way. For the nighttime, on times I don't use my Epiduo. I use my niacinamide. Niacinamide, 10%. The ordinary niacinamide, 10%. The ordinary, tama. Ano pa naglabang ko? And with zinc, 1%. And this entire routine is revolving around brightening the dark spots kasi I also get dark spots and some freckle, ganyan. Freckles, mga 2 pieces, 3 pieces na I'm trying to get rid of. And then for my breakouts, I either use the Cicapair So Soothing Treatment or the Celatec Acne Solution Acne Spot Corrector Gel with Salicylic Acid. This is so good. For my moisturizer, I'm using the Clinique Reset and Glow 4% Brightening Niacinamide Complex and Ginger. She looks like this. Everything in my routine has niacinamide kasi sabi nung derma na, niacinamide is good for you. Sabi ko, I get it. I get the hype. Hyaluronic Acid Daily Sun Gel from Isntree yung sunscreen ko. For my other kaartehan sa face, isa lang naman, I get my face lasered. Laser brightening thing. Yeah, that's my skincare routine. Sorry, naka-makeup ako ngayon, pero maniwala na lang kayo. Okay naman na yung skin ko. It's not perfect, pero she's nice.